because I'm an actual fighter, and I got 2 guns right here.
Dude! No, please! Don't!
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?